welcome to Mickey D's Quilt Show. This is just an intro, so I'm going to make it short and sweet for you so we can get on to the good stuff here soon. But we're going to show you some tips and tricks on quilting, how I learned, the people on YouTube that I also learned from, the places that I visit for patterns, for free patterns, purchasable patterns, where I get my fabrics, all that good stuff. And what better way to start out than to teach you guys how to do your very first quilt. So this is the type that we'll be using. It's just a simple 5-inch square charm pack. That's what they call all charm packs, are just 5-inch squares. This is Uncorked by Whistler Studios with Wyndham Fabrics. I do not remember where I got this, but I'm sure I can find some other links and put them in the description box so that you guys will be able to find them if you want to use the same exact kind that I want. Otherwise, what we'll be doing is use any type of fabric that you want, but that'll be the first video, is learning how to quilt. It's going to be a 5-part video, but there's going to be so much cool stuff on here that you guys aren't going to know what to do with me. So hope you guys like this. Feel free to continue back and check things out, and there'll be some more stuff that's not related to quilting also. We're going to be doing some pretty cool stuff. So there's going to be 2 separate playlists for different things. So if you guys only want quilting and you want the other thing, there's going to be plenty to find on here. So, well, as my dad would say with his old store, is thanks for stopping in, guys. Great to see ya. Take care.